Pranam. Today I would like to talk about our responsibility as parents in the education of our children. Education is a process that prepares our children for independence. Complete education of a child is nurturing the physical, the mental, emotional, and the spiritual aspect. A holistic education helps to develop their character and personality as an individual. This gives them the ability to discover their strength, develop a value system, enabling them to lead fulfilling lives. Now, where exactly does education begin? It begins at home. Parents play a primary role in shaping their future, and parent-child relationship is extremely critical aspect in the growth and development of the child. A strong bond with our children is never at odds with teaching discipline. In fact, it reinforces it. So, one of the most important things is that we have to be good role models for our children. Our actions speak louder than words. Children learn by watching us. We have to model the kindness, responsibility, and problem solving skills we want them to develop. If we make a mistake, own up to it. This shows them it's okay to be imperfect and that we all learn from our experiences. Again, I do not simply understand the concept of spoiling a child with love. It usually is the consequence of giving children things because we cannot give them time and attention. We trade time, attention, and love with things like leniency, lowered expectations, or material possessions. We have to be involved in our child's life. Being an involved parent takes time and often means rethinking and rearranging our priorities. It frequently means sacrificing what we want to do for what our child needs. We have to be available for our children mentally as well as physically. We also need to establish certain rules. If we don't manage our children's behavior when they are young, they will have a hard time learning how to manage themselves. At any given day or night, we should always be able to answer these three questions. Where is my child? Who is with my child? And what is my child doing? The rules our children learn from us are going to shape the rules they apply to themselves. Now we have to also foster our children's independence. Encouraging independence helps them to develop a sense of self-direction. We have to help our child develop a sense of responsibility. Simple things like asking them to do some household tasks such as setting the table, making their beds, placing their things neatly, go very far in developing a sense of independence. Then we have to treat our children with respect. The best way to get respectful treatment from our child is to treat them respectfully. We should give our children the same courtesies we want others to give us. An adult of the future is a result of the present upbringing. We as a school work towards holistic development of the child and also expect the parents to be conscious of the environment they provide at home. Pranam.